Consistently, painting tips are one of the most popular parts of the show. Now, if you're about to do some rolling around your house with a paint roller handle, Joe has a couple tips for you.
You're right, Danny. The paint roller is a great way to apply a lot of paint really quickly. But even in an average room like this, you're probably going to apply 2 or 3 coats and not finish the job in one day.
And boy, it's a real pain to try to clean a roller pad with taking your hose and working on it like that. I mean, it's kind of a mess, too.
Well, you don't have to do that. And here's the tip. Grab an empty grocery bag and just pull the roller sleeve off the frame. And then wrap it up tightly. Squeeze out all the air. That'll keep it nice and soft. Hold it with a twist tie. And if you're not going to get to the job, back to the job till the next day, just pop this in the refrigerator. And the next morning it'll be nice and fresh. You can go right back to work.
Boy, I hope you don't mistake that for a midnight snack.
No, you better not.
What are some other problems here?
Okay, here's another one that happens all the time when you're using a paint roller. Is if you use a roller that's been, like maybe it's a year or 2 old, it loses its tension, and as you're rolling the paint, the sleeve has a tendency to work itself off, and then you get all paint gummed up in there.
Yeah, that's a lot of mess. Also, it can scar up the wall if that gets to the edge of the wall.
Right, so here's the trick. All you need to do is grab the bars on the roller cage and bend them back out to their original position. You'll notice it locks it right on there.
Boy, this will make the painting go a little bit easier around the house and a lot neater.